Alright, today's session is some arms, so that includes some bis, tris and forearms. So I started off with doing some cables for the triceps, just get the blood flowing. I like to do these so I can get a good squeeze and always do them to failure. So I do 2 to 3 sets of these, just get the blood going, not leaving anything not warmed up, so just pump out as many as you can. And then at the end do some partials as well, so you don't leave any juice left in the tris. And if you can't do full range of motion anymore, just do as I do, just do like half reps, just so you can get that extra pump out. When I'm done with the triceps, I usually put the cables down, and I usually do the same with my bis. So I put a low weight on just in case I feel something wrong with my biceps, so I can catch it early in the workout. And the same here, when you don't have the energy to do real reps anymore, do half reps and then always end with your partials. I do 2 to 3 sets per muscle group, pretty much all the time, and always failure, always. And the partials in the end, very important, get that extra juice out. In my first set is when I up the weights slowly, just so I don't shock the muscles going too hard. Pretty simple stuff. And I forgot what weight it was, I think it's 74, 80 kilos. Then we move over to the Sam super leg forearm curls. I love these. They give me the absolute nastiest forearm pump I've ever had, so you got to try these. I've felt my forearms grow quite a bit since I started doing this exercise, and it's not really hard to do. As you see, just roll it out on your fingertips and then bend your wrist. That's pretty much it. And as well, keep your elbows locked to your body. And I think I do a 90 degrees angle from my biceps down to my forearms, so I keep that strict as well. As you saw, I was pretty explosive doing the exercise downwards, and then when I had to do the negative, I slacked. That's pretty much what happened, so no excuses, just slacking. As I'm recording this audio afterwards, I didn't notice that we had switched exercise, but we're doing some triceps as well again. So I do some close grips, go heavy on these. I think that was like 130 kilos because I played a little bit with the weights. Shouldn't do that, but I am talking way too much. We've already skipped an exercise. I'm doing the zigzag bar or the Z bar, whatever you want to call it, some biceps. I usually don't go all the way down because I just don't feel the need to actually stretch out my biceps. Pretty much 90 degrees with my forearms and bis. That's usually where my range of motion goes. And then we move over to the skull crushers with the barbells. I've actually started doing these more like last year. I actually fucking love them. Super nice, good stretch for the triceps. I actually feel a lot of contact in my tris when I do it, so try this one out. It's a little bit hard to get in the beginning. I'll do a video about it showing how I perform them. But when you get a hang of it, it's a very good triceps exercise. I really enjoy it. And it gives you the challenge to actually have to balance as well. So when you get tired, you might get it in your face, but we're at the gym to get huge, not handsome. As I said, the videos will improve. I had some problem with my audio, but I've got my microphones now, so hopefully that should have ended. Alright, there we go. Another gym session done. Still have to improve the video stuff. The audio didn't work, so yeah. Only improvements from here. But got a good little pump. Bought my fish, shrimp and some rice. Go home and make that, maybe go for a little walk, but yeah, that's pretty much all for this little video. So see you guys tomorrow. Well, we'll be hitting legs possibly. So yeah, see you in the next one. Bye.